Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, gold has developed really well. It's still following the bullish forecast. New all-time high territory, not unexpected, and the move to the upside is currently unfolding in the, let's say in the main element of that third wave rally that we're tracking. I understand the microstructure can be quite complicated, but it is what it is. You know, the structure isn't easy at the moment. It is quite messy. And I have tried to avoid explaining really the microstructure in too much detail because it can lead to confusion, because we're dealing with a lot of ABC structures. Be rest assured that this is all based on the Elliott wave rules and guidelines. I know that a lot of other analysts might see it differently, but I'm intentionally choosing those ABC structures because the gold market is just moving in ABC structures, and we're dealing with a very complex web of diagonal patterns within diagonal patterns, and it is quite messy. For anybody who is interested, the base case is that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed in November 22. Wave 1, which topped in May 23, was an ABC structure. You can interpret this as 5, but not the entire move here. So that looking back at it, it is an ABC. At the time, it didn't even matter. But looking back at it, doing some Fibonacci work, we can call that an ABC. The move down was clearly a higher low ABC. At the time, we did have a long-term setup here. Then we have an ABC structure in wave 3. So to explain A, B, and then, oh, something is missing here. Okay, spotted, but that doesn't matter. So ABC here, so quick explanation. ABC in wave A. Then this is a B wave, so it's ABC in A of 3. This is the B wave pullback, which was quite shallow. And now we're moving up in wave C. So where we had an ABC structure in wave 1, we have an ABC structure in wave 3. Okay, so that's really what it's about. And let me just take that out again. And we're pretty much now moving up in wave C of 3, which could easily send us to, I think I gave you that next upside target in the last video, 2,740. We're working our way towards it. It is based on the internal structure here, because when we say, okay, a B wave bottomed in June, then this is now the C wave, which is a 5-wave move. But again, it's not impulsive. If something is not impulsive, that's not necessarily bearish, but it means we're likely moving in a diagonal, and the C wave itself can be a diagonal. And this C wave would be a 5-wave move as well. Wave 1, wave 2, and we could now be in circle 3, which again is an ABC structure because we're dealing with diagonal patterns. And then there should be another 4-5 pattern. And yeah, so overall, I give you the support areas along the way. And last update was that this here could have been another wave 1. Again, only in 3 waves because we're dealing with an ABC structure again in this C wave, which is an ending diagonal. I don't want to label everything here, but this is pretty much what it is, right? So we have also here ABC in wave 1. Not easy to spot, but because of that, I gave you a support area. We had an ABC pullback. It reached a 38.2 retracement, a level very commonly reached in a wave 2 in gold. And we could indeed be in the third wave now. Now that takes us to the calculation of FIB targets now for this third wave. For gold, the 1.236 extension would be fine. Let's see if we actually get there. I mean, I can be wrong with this assessment, right? This is such a complex web of microstructures and ABC structures and diagonals. And if we consider that diagonal patterns, they have a high failure rate because these corrective patterns that are moving as part of these subwave structures, they can develop in different ways. So yeah, expect it to fail at some point. But for now, the next upside roadmap target would be 2,717 for this third wave. And, you know, what would be, let's say, what would be the nearest support I can give? It's this area. And there's no point labeling here the micro in this third wave. Yeah, this can't be an impulse. So actually we should, I should give you this support area, which leaves a bit more space because it can obviously, because this third wave also moves as ABC pattern. So that means if we get a pullback into the area between 2,005 89 and 2006-25. This could be a B wave pullback in wave 3, and this could be an opportunity, okay? This nearly looks like a 5 wave move up, which could be wave A of 3. So just to label that, A, B, C. Now I haven't got any top confirmation yet in this A wave, but if the B wave starts from here, then you have a support area to watch. You have some parameters to watch, risk levels essentially. That's the update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you are interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.